What if a simple floor plan could become this, using AI? In my previous 4 BHK plan video, this was the kitchen layout. Today I'm taking that same kitchen and redesigning it using AI. Every design starts with a plan. This layout is functional but visually undefined. Before thinking about finishes, I first understand the space. I zoom into the kitchen to study proportions, circulation, and how it connects to dining and utility. I start by converting the plan into a clean 3D isometric view using Nano Banana. This step is all about layout accuracy and flow. Next comes concept design with MidJourney. This is where the kitchen gets its personality. I explore multiple options: warm neutrals, mocha walnut, bronze moldings, fluted glass, and stone islands. No execution yet, just vision. MidJourney needs longer prompts to explore design ideas. Nano Banana works best with short, precise instructions. Once the concept is finalized, I return to Nano Banana. Here, I translate the idea into a realistic point of view, with a small layout tweak to improve flow and island proportions, so you can experience the kitchen exactly as you would in real life. At night, lighting transforms the space. The kitchen feels warmer, richer, and more intimate, where materials and details truly stand out. To bring the design to life, I use VO to create a short cinematic walkthrough, turning static visuals into a real spatial experience.
It feels so warm in here tonight.
Yes, it's perfect. The children seem happy too.
I'm Shipra Shetty. This is how I redesign kitchens using AI, from plan to concept to experience.